So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to tell you that is JEE Mains 2023 24 Jan Shift 1 Chemistry question paper we are going to solve. So let us come to the question. First question, that is, in this first question they have given two statements. You have to tell whether the statement is correct or wrong. So statement 1 they have asked is noradrenaline is one of the neurotransmitters. Statement 2 they were asked deficiency of noradrenaline causes depression. Options they are given statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 and 2 both are incorrect. These are the options they have given. Now let us see the correct answer. So noradrenaline is one of the neurotransmitter that plays a role in mood changes. If the level of noradrenaline is low for some reason, then the signal sending activity becomes low and the person suffers from depression. So both statement 1 and statement 2. So both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Next, that is 22nd question. Here they have asked the cation gives bright red color with dimethyl glyoxyme, which is that cation. Cu2 plus option, Ni2 plus, Zn2 plus, or CO2 plus. Which one we have to find? So Ni2 plus, it gives bright red color with dimethyl glyoxyme in an alkaline medium. So here you can see how is its structure. So therefore the correct answer is Ni2 plus. Next question is question number 23. Here they have asked a 25 milliliter buffer solution is prepared by mixing CH3COOH of concentration 0.1 meter 1 m 1 molar and CH3COONA of concentration 0.01 molar. If the pH of the solution is 5, then we have to calculate the pKa of CH3COOH. Options they are given is 4, 5, 6 and 7. The answer is CH3COOH is equal to 0.1 and CH3COONA is equal to 0.01. So therefore pH is equal to pKa plus log CH3COONA by CH3COOH. So therefore pH minus log into 0.01 by 0.1. So therefore pH minus log 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to pH plus log 10. So therefore pKa is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. So therefore the pH of the solution is 5. So the pK of CH3COH is 6. The answer. Next is question number 24. Here they have asked the number of unpaired electron on cobalt in the complex ion COCl4 2 minus is option A 2, option B 3, option C 4 and option D 5. So COCl4 to the power 2 minus is equal to CO2 plus into Td is equal to E4T3 by 2. So hence the number of unpaired electron in the cobalt, for this it will be 3. So therefore the correct answer is option B. Next question is question number 25. Here they have asked the magnetic moment of a metal ion is 3.87 bm. Identify the metal ion, that is V3 plus, Cr3 plus, Mn2 plus, Ti2 plus. So magnetic momentum mu is equal to root n into n plus 2. So therefore n is the number of unpaired electrons. So therefore the given magnetic momentum is 3.87 pm. So therefore the magnetic moment corresponds to 3 unpaired electrons. So therefore V3, Cr3 plus and Mn2 plus and T12 plus, these have 2, 3, 5 and 2 unpaired electrons respectively. So therefore here the correct answer is option B. Cr3 plus will be having Cr3 plus will be having 3 as the metal ion magnetic momentum. So therefore Cr3 plus is correct answer. Now moving on to our next question, is question number 26. Here they have asked the correct statement about freons is they are used as a cancer medicine. They are chlorofluorocarbon compounds. These are toxic organic compounds, or these are flammable compounds. So the chlorofluorocarbons are known as freons. So these are non-reactive, non-flammable, and non-toxic organic molecule. So therefore, the correct statement is option B. They are chlorofluorocarbon compounds. Next 27th question, here they have asked. Here they have given two statements. Statement 1, they have asked freezing point of a solution decreases with decrease in the amount of non-volatile solute. Statement 2, they have given freezing point of the solution is less than that of solvent. Options are statement 1 and 2 both are correct. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. So these are the options they are given. So freezing point of the solution decrease with the increase in the amount of non-volatile solute. Freezing point of the solution is less than that of solvent in case of non-volatile solvent. So therefore statement 1 it is incorrect that they are given here, but statement 2 is correct. So therefore option C is correct answer for question number 27. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 28. Here they have asked to consider the following reaction that are they have given below. BO plus H4 plus NH3 gives AF into the BF2 plus NH4F. Now we have to identify the missing compound A. Here A that they have mentioned, that we have to identify. BOH2 NH42PF4 NH42 BF3. So D is NH42 BF6. Now here BO plus HF plus NH3 gives NH4 NH4 BF4 NH4 2 BF4, that will give us BF2 plus NH4F. So therefore the correct answer here is option B is correct answer for question number 28. Now moving on to our next question, that is question number 29. Here they have asked, since they have given list 1, two lists they have given. In list 1 they have made option as soda ash, chlorophyll, whitewashing, toothpaste. In list 2 they have given NAF, CaOH2, Na2CO3, Mg2 plus ions. So we have to match the components given in the list 2 with the components which are present in list 1. Options they are given is A to P, B to Q, C to R, D to S. Option B, they have given A to R, B to S, C to Q, D to P. Option C, they have given A to R, B to S, C to P, D to Q. Option D, they have given A to P, B to Q, C to S, D to R. Now the correct answer, let us see. Now here, soda ash, that will come through Na2CO3, chlorophyll Mg2 plus ions, whitewashing CaOH2, toothpaste NaF. So therefore toothpaste NaF. So therefore the correct answer is option B, that is soda ash to Na2CO3 and chlorophyll to Mg2 plus ion and whitewashing to CaOH2 and toothpaste to NaF. So therefore option B is correct answer for it. Okay. Option B is correct answer for this question. Moving on to our next question. Here they have asked us to calculate the percentage of Fe2 plus ions in Fe 0.930. 50A, option A 15%, option B 85%, option C 65%, option D 35%. So the correct answer is iron exists as Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus in FeO.930. So let's take Fe2 plus is equal to X and Fe3 plus is equal to Y. So therefore X plus Y is equal to 0.93 is the answer we'll get. Applying this concept of charge balancing, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 is the option we'll get. So upon solving 1 and 2, y is equal to 0.4 is the answer we'll get. So now if we convert it into percentage, so Fe3 plus is equal to 0.14 by 0.93 into 100, that is equal to 15%, and Fe2 plus is equal to 100 minus 15, that is equal to 85%. So therefore option B 85% is the correct answer. So be careful, here they have given 15% also to get confused. Okay, so you may get confused. So to confuse you also they have given two options, so that you may get one option also in that. So be careful, solve the question correctly. Only if you have solved or not, please check once. Okay, then take the option. Okay, next question they have given is following reactions are given. These are the reactions that they have given. Option A, delta N is equal to minus 25 kilojoule per mole, delta S is equal to plus 30 joule per mole, T is equal to 300 K. Delta N is equal to plus 30 kilojoule per mole, delta S is equal to minus 50 joule per mole, T is equal to 300 K. Okay, delta N is equal to plus 30 kilojoule per mole, delta S is equal to plus 500 joule by mole per mole, and T is equal to 300 Kelvin. So therefore delta N is equal delta N minus 30 kilojoule per mole, delta S is equal to minus 1500 joule per mole, T is equal to 300 Kelvin. Okay, the question they asked is how many of the above reaction are non-spontaneous under given conditions. So reaction B, enthalpy change delta N is equal to plus 30,000 joule per mole, entropy change delta S is equal to minus 50 joule by mole per second, and delta G is equal to delta N minus T delta S. That is, for non-spontaneous reaction delta G is smaller than 0. So therefore 30,000 plus 15,000 smaller than 0, non-spontaneous. And in reaction D, if you see, enthalpy change delta N is equal to minus 30,000 per joule, and enthalpy change of delta S is equal to minus 1500 joule per mole by mole per second. Delta G is equal to delta N minus T delta S. So therefore it is equal to minus 30,000 minus 300 into minus 1500. So therefore minus 30,000 plus 45,000 greater than 0. So therefore it is non-spontaneous. So therefore here the option is correct is option 2, that is delta n plus 30 mole minus 5300 Kelvin is the correct answer, option B. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 32. The percentage of nitrogen in uracil is, in this uracil, what is the percentage of nitrogen? It is a concept based question and you have to solve it. So molecular weight of uracil is equal to 112 gram and weight of nitrogen is equal to 28 gram. Percentage of nitrogen is equal to 28 by 112 into 100, that is equal to 25%. So therefore 25% is the percentage of nitrogen in uracil. Next, that is third question, which of the following oxacids can reduce AgNO3? Oxo acid. So HPO3N, H4P2O7, H4P2O5, H3PO4. So to reduce EgNO3, oxacid should behave as an reducing agent and central atom with maximum oxidation state on can act only as a oxidizing agent, and in oxidation state less than the maximum can act as reducing agent. So therefore the maximum oxidation state of P is +5. Here HPO3 and it is a metaphosphoric acid. So P is in +5 oxidation state, so that it behaves only as an oxidizing agent. And H4P2O7 is pyrophosphoric acid, that is P is in a +5 oxidation state, so therefore it will also behave only as a oxidizing agent. Next is H4P2O5, it is pyrophosphorus acid. P is in +3 oxidation state, so therefore H4P2O5 can act as a reducing agent due to presence of pH bond. And H3PO4 is in PO4 orthophosphoric acid. P is in +5 oxidation state, so that it behaves only as oxidizing agent. So therefore your correct answer is option C, that is H4P2O5 is the answer. Next is 14 here means 14th question here the given is the correct stable order of the resonating structure is NH2. It is so A is greater than B is B is greater than C. B option is B is greater than A is greater than C. Next C is greater than A is greater than B is greater than C is greater than A. So here positive charges A is greater. So therefore here option A is greater than B is greater than C. So this option. So these are the correct stability order of the resonating structure of the equation they have given. Next 15th question they asked is consider the following reaction. This reaction you have to consider. Okay. The product P and Q are respectively product P and Q will be like this. Option A they have given, option B like this they have given, option C like this they have given, and option D like this they have given. Now let us see the correct answer. So the product will be option like this, that is OH by CH2 minus OH CH2 pH. Therefore finally it will be OH CH3 HBr OH plus CH3Br. So like this. So therefore option B will be correct answer. Option B will be correct answer here. Okay. Moving on to our next 16th question. The correct product of following reaction is, what will be the correct product of following reaction? Options they given option A, option B. Here is option C and option D you can see. So if it is in like this shape, the ring it will become like a ring HBr. Next ring expression it will become in like this. So therefore option D will be then it will become like this. Okay, then it will become finally like this Br. So therefore here you can see Br like this. So here option D is correct answer. So this is the final product you get in this reaction. Next 17th question they have asked is consider the following sequence of reaction. Product P. So correct structure of P is, what is the correct structure of P? You have to find like this. Now see here, like this it will be. Then it will become Cl, benzene, O, double bond C, single bond CH, OH, Cl. So finally Cl, benzene, O double bond C, C double O, C double bond O, single bond, C double bond O, single bond benzene, single bond Cl. So therefore the correct answer will be option C is the correct answer for question number 70. Okay. Moving on to our 18th question here, they have asked the correct structure of A is. What will be the correct structure of A? The product they have given, reactant we have to find. Options they have given option A, B, C, and D. You can see it out here. So if it is like this, that is option. If it is like option C or option A, it will become like this. Option A, CH3. Oh yes, okay, it will become OCH3 or CH3 is there. See here, it will become like this. So therefore, the correct answer is option A is the correct answer here. Reaction you can see out there. Once I will show you like this, it will be. Then it will become like this OBr, then OCN2, H2 like this. Okay. Next 19th question they asked is here two columns they are given. One they are given aluminum, iron, silicon, copper. Option column 2 they are given electrolysis, reverberatory furnace, blast furnace, zone refining. So options are given A to 1, B to 3, C to 4, D to 2. A to 2, B to 3, C to 4, D to 1, A to 3, B to 2, C to 1, D to 4, A to 2, D to 4, C to 1, D to 3. Now aluminum it is extracted by electrolysis of bauxite. So option 1 is correct, electrolysis. And iron is extracted in blast furnace, and silicon is extracted using zone refining, and copper is extracted in a reverberatory furnace. So therefore here if you see aluminum electrolysis, iron it is blast furnace, silicon it is zone refining, and copper it is reverberatory furnace. So therefore that option is present at option A. So therefore option A is correct answer for this question. Now 20th question, if you see 50 gram of NaOH is dissolved in water to get for 50 milliliter of solution. What is so what will be the volume of solution that is required to prepare 50 milliliter of 0.500 milliliter of 0.1 mole of NaOH solution? Okay, molar molarity of NaOH solution is prepared is equal to 5 into 1000 by 40 into 450, that is equal to 5 by 18 mole it will become. So for 500 milliliter and of 0.1 mole of NaOH, V into 5 by 18, that is equal to 500 into 0.1. So therefore V is equal to 180 milliliter is their answer. Next, if the primary valency of central metal ion in the complex is N and its secondary valency is Y, then you have to find the value of X plus Y. Now, primary valency of CO ion in the given complex is 3 and its secondary valency is 6. Hence, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. So therefore 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9 is the answer. 9 is the answer. Okay. Next, so okay friends, this was the question paper. If your chemistry question paper of JEE Mains 2023 24th Jan shift 1 chemistry question paper I have solved in this video. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. So if this video was helpful to you, please give a like and also share my video with your friends so that it will be helpful to your friends also. So okay friends, I'll see you in my next video with some other information. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear friends.